Okay, this is a video of my Raspberry Pi, and as you can see, I've hooked up an LED, and I'll be right back on my iMac to show you what we're gonna do today. Okay, I'm back on my iMac, and to log into the Raspberry Pi, you just type SSH space -L space the username of your Pi, which is default in my case, space and the IP address of your Pi, which is this in my case. Then you hit enter, and when you do this for the first time, the terminal is going to ask you if you really want to connect to this computer. You just type in yes and hit enter, and then it's going to ask you for the password just like it does right here. My password is also default, which is Raspberry, in case you're wondering. And there, we're now logged in to our Pi. I'm going to navigate to the folder that I created. GPIO. And you can see this file called testtext2.py. This is the program that I wrote last night. And I'm going to show you this what the program looks like. Sudo nano testtext2.py. This is the program. This is what it looks like. Exit out of that, and now I'm gonna run it. I'm just gonna change nano to Python and hit enter. This is a fire alarm simulation program. So as you can see, alarm pops up on the screen. The LED starts flashing. And after a couple of flashes, it's going to simulate a system reset. There we go. And that's it. Okay, I'm going to do this one more time. There. So this was a demonstration of my Raspberry Pi and the fire alarm simulation program that I wrote last night. I hope you like it, and I guess I'll see you next time.